kaibigan, na ba ang TLC's The Letter? Wala lang. Mga giliw kong taga-subaybay, tayo po'y namili ng mga ilang-ilang sulat na pinadala through text. Ironic man, dahil letter galing sa text ito. Nakapili po tayo ng mga ilang-ilang mga corning mga entries at babasa po tayo. O yan, yan na po, short and sweet, di ba? Dami kasing tatext sa atin sa ilunching na baka hindi natin nababasa. Pero ito po, randomly mga kaibigan, hindi po namin talaga kayang basahin everything. Ito ang umpisa coming from Aini. TLC letter, Dear Jay, it hurts me so much letting go of you, but I guess that's the best thing I could ever do. I did everything for you to love me, but you really don't feel the same way. Goodbye, and I will really miss you. Thank you so much for making me happy, even for just a while. Love, Aini. Ayan ang mga nilalang na hindi bitter. Naks. Ito naman isa, walang sender, pero gusto ko yung sulat niya. TLC letter, Grant. Thank you for everything, and I appreciate that. At alam ko na masasaktan uli kita. Salamat dahil napadawa mo sa akin na importante ako sa iyo. At gaano mo ako minahal. I have many reasons at kung bakit ko ito gagawin. I hope you will understand. I love you and goodbye. Mga kaibigan, mga ganyang pagkakataon, huwag mong asahan kahit even if you have reasons sa pagpapaalam, huwag mong asahan na maiintindihan ng taong yon kung hindi mo nga sabihin, mo siyang pahulain, di ba? Kahit may dahilan ka, huwag mong sabihin na may dahilan kung ba't ko gagawin ito. Sabihin mo yung dahilan. Di ba? Worst come to worst, di ba? Mag-invento ka na lang kaysa wala. Ito naman mga kaibigan, coming from May. TLC letter, after all that I've been through, after all the mistakes, heartaches, and pains, it's unbelievable that even if we're not together, I know how impossible it is. I admit to myself that you will always have my heart, my love, only for you. I still love you, Chris, forever and always. Sabi ni May. Yan ang mga deklarasyon na totoong pag-ibig. TLC letter to my Yam. It's been 5 months since we broke up. Pero hindi pa ako talaga naka-move on sa'yo. Mahal na mahal pa rin kita. Umaasa pa rin ako na pwedeng maging tayo ulit. Hindi pa ako bumibitaw. 2 years din tayo at minahal talaga kita. I'm still in love with you. From Mr. Yam. Mga kaibigan, nakakalungkot yung kwento ng mga nilalang na hindi makapag-move on. Yung mga tipong hindi nila ma-let go. Yung mga pagkakataon, they were a part of a very, very good love story. At yung matak sa utak nila na it will stay forever. Yung tipong nawala na, nandun pa rin sila sa panaginip na yun. Sometimes you have to wake up. TLC letter to my boylet. Akas talaga naman. Magkaunawaan sana tayo ngayon. Sa loob ng 7 taon, hindi ko pa nagawang sabihin sa'yo ito. Salamat po sa lahat ng pag-aalaga. Kahit palagi kitang inaaway. Sa pagtsatsaga, kahit palagi po kitang inaaway at sa pagmamahal na binigay mo sa akin. Sa parting to, wala nang kahit hope. Hindi ka po magbago. Mahal na mahal po kita from Girlet. O bagay kayo. Boylet, girlet. Merienda yung chiclet. Saya. Dear Steph, alam ko even malayo tayo to each other, I just want you to know that I've been missing you so much. And I'm still hoping that someday you'll be back here in the Philippines. But even now you're in China, o baka maging singkit yan. Baka na-show mo doon. I just want to say that I have faith in you. Na mahal mo pa rin ako at babalik ka para sa akin tulad ng promise mo. Woy Aini, honey ko. Uy, Chinese yun ah. Ang hulugan nun. I love you, ganun? Woy Aini. Wow! Ganun yun. Sabi ni Charlotte Droga, 17 years old, ng Ayala, Alabang Village, Muntinlupa City. Sometimes, sa Ilonjing, diba, distance prevails. Diba, kahit gaano mo kamahalan ta, sometimes distance prevails. TLC letter, Vince. It has been a year and 6 months na naging tayo and I'm happy naging part ka ng buhay ko. Sakit to. Salamat sa mga sacrifices, mga moments with my family, mga kakulatan mo, and for making me smile. Kahit iniwan mo ako, siguro I'm not a perfect girl for you, but I don't have no regret. Nevertheless, thankful ako because you've shown me how to love, how to be strong, especially how to smile. Oh my God! Napaka-moving naman nun. Diba? Hindi siya bitter. Thankful siya. Mas na-appreciate niya yung naiwang magagandang memories kaysa yung pain ng pagkawala. Hay nako. Sabi dito, always take care. Thank you for everything from Des. Des, move on. And congratulations. You have a very, very good heart. Keep it that way. TLC letter, Dear Baby Jurev. It's June 7, 2011. Sabi niya, exactly 1 year since we've started this long-distance relationship. I never thought I would meet a man who had everything I was looking for. Intelligence, sense of humor, a loving heart, and a faithful soul. Someone who could be both my lover and my friend. I never thought I would meet the man of my dreams until I met you. I will always love you. Happy first anniversary, baby. You are the love of my life, my everything. I love you so much. Love, Valerie. Kaibigan, with that, I'd like to end this part. Tawag kayo for Papa Jack's Wild Confessions. Nais ko pong ialay kay ayan, Baby Jurev at kay Valerie itong awitin na to. Sana naman naging team song nyo, maging part ng mga kantang paborito nyo. Diba? Kantang medyo matagal-tagal na. Saan nyo naman ako? But I know it would mean a lot sa inyong relasyon. Baka lang. Mga kaibigan, 8326171 or 1-800-10-100-LOVE. Side A with the song Forevermore. If you cannot promise forever, maybe kulang sa iyan, promise forevermore. Good morning, Metro Manila. Papa Jack's Wild Confessions.
There are times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in a cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. All those years I've longed to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you will be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were can't believe that you were my love. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. As endless as forever, our love will stay together. You're all I need to be with forevermore. We'll stay together. You're all I need to be with forever.